Now it's on now. Ah, you couldn't.
I get that a lot. No.
Ooh, the grease gun's back.
Hey, in all fairness, please this time I'm not shooting at you.
That was a while back. I forgot about that one in Omen, right? Dude, that was a fun fight. I'm like, can I peek?
Alright.
We're gonna push hard left, hard right.
Cold wet, I can barely see, but it's okay.
Me too.
That just sucks. I wanted to put the poncho on, but it was giving me trouble.
Honestly, don't wear a poncho because you're gonna get up.
Yeah. Just when this thing gets wet, it takes a while to
Oh, I know. That chest rig is God.
Yeah.
I'll make my chest rig. I'll wear this next, just to match you.
Hang it up and throw a fan to it.
Good luck with
When I
that.
get home.
Dude, give it 48 hours. No, give it more than that.
Yeah?
72 hours. That's all it takes for mine.
Really?
Yeah, it sucks.
Really dry?
Yeah, it's a bitch, dude.
It's a fucking bitch.
Oh,
Hopefully it won't-
you probably know
it'll
he's
get
joining us.
soaked.
Yeah,
for-
Take everything
for a
off
tank,
of it.
yeah.
Okay.
Most
Sorry.
of the stuff on mine's laser cut.
I don't like laser cut.
There's no way I'm taking any of this off. I'm just gonna let it just dry as it is.
Call it a day.
Yeah. My fingers will survive.
Who's in the other side? All rentals?
A bunch of rentals, dude. We're about to.
Yeah, I feel kind of bad.
Yeah, we're some assholes on this one.
It's a rainy match.
Yeah.
Hopefully none of the rest will be like this.
This is
I don't
like
think it's supposed to
baby
rain
mama drama we're about to run into.
the rest of the day.
It'll be a oh, I'm Jason. My pussy hurts. Oh, sorry. I'm Ben. What? What'd you say?
That's how we feel.
I love you. Sorry. I got the soju, so. I got the soju. Ah. She got an AK. New gun. Less problems. Can we start, Connor? What? Oh.
Dude, I can't
Yes.
see anything.
Push it down. Hard. Good boy. It's kind of cold.
Runny. Run.
Run.
How was that? Wait, you're talking about fly? What do you mean? I'm echolocating the enemy?
Yeah.
Hey, that's cheating.
Be like Daredevil.
That's like
I heard that.
Like Daredevil.
Or be like the, what's his name from John Wick 4? Donnie Yen's character.
That's me.
Oh, yeah.
That's me.
Yeah, that's Ben. That's he just has his head down. He's like,
Come on, let's go, Connor.
He just fucking feels air. We're shoot down.
Oh. Yeah, like 10 minutes ago. Yeah.
100%. Where do you think they're going?
Going all the way and then come back this way.
You think they're going left?
well, you know we're supposed to go for the building.
Oh, yeah.
I'll stay left.
I don't know. I have no idea, to be honest. Whoa! Hey, we're good! Push it! Hey, push up, ho! Hey, Chris! Bang! Go inside, you'll be fine. Hey, what's the objective?
The building.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm gonna go fight them now. I already killed it too. You got this?
Yeah, I just gotta move. Because Luke's got a spot.
Okay, I'll just stay here then. I'll give it 2 more minutes. Oh, she did. Hey, Chris, I'm gonna cross you. Oh, okay.
You want me to cover you?
No, I'm gonna cross. What up? My helmet's not on. Oh no, that's a safety hazard. What? I don't want to. No, one on bus. Hey, right! They're pushing right! I'm reloading. Yeah, you're so sensitive, fucking gun. Jesus Christ, I forgot about that. Hey, one in the blue truck. On the right side. Hey, you got two on the blue. Yeah, I know. She dead. Marshall! Oh, you're not gonna call it. What's up? Hey, one in school! Two in school! Hey! School! Jason, school! Hey, coming to your left! Jason, left! Hey, I'm crossing you. Yeah! Hey, you got three in the bus! Hey! No, you're good. No, stay. We're too close to the spawn.
Behind the red house.
Hey, school, one in school. Cool. One left? No? Yeah. One, yeah, I know. One left. Okay.
Behind the red house.
School?
They're down.
Where'd Jose go?
The right side is completely clear.
You good? What? It's too close to the spawn. Just letting you know. Hey, try to back it up. Jose, try to back up.
Wait, can you go to say something whenever you want?
Yeah, whatever you want. Okay. No, you're good. Okay. Just make sure your hands are up, okay, when you're walking to a safe zone. What?
Watch your friendly in the doorway. Pushing right.